I make this is my first time, but it looks like Mama measure bibia my. It's been so easy for me to get it right first time. For it is a say baby a year so my measure 600 grams of plain flour. We me use Mama recipe I used 5 years ago, no classic chicken pie recipe, and I made any pastry seasoning, Ebin so ebe 1 full teaspoon. Osha brown yes our recipe no the spices no and no we use a near man kit be but and ne nyame adom mama so aka ni nyina bo mama ye hia near man kit or the can ho as at that time no nti wa won to bi no try bi hwema ye be ka afra na afie de milk and ye butter afra na yewi. Rain is best safety or flour no so. With the chicken spice blend no so 1/4 teaspoon akaho. Afe butter no 250 grams. Na waka afra. Misrawa ya ma unsaso kakra so ehun. Sanya me kan no the first time I made pie ni. And now me mama chin chin a kuyi ankasa. Or so a mama birthday. I hope that this video will be out and son mama birthday no. Aso. A year 31st of May. Tina as I say Accra. Cameraman baako pɛ. Send your mama share me so kitchen hano. Me ankasa me try say me mama recipe no be a man. So now I know one can say screw na me buy no. Me making it prouder. This is also dedicated to all those men out there. So me nye bi da na me tumi ya we my follow recipe no me ba me tie ma pause ma hwe ne ekoso so sanity this one sanya mama kan no I am nice. She said near by and say you have the 150 milliliters of semi-skimmed milk. Abeka ho. Me say a koyi ankasa. Afi tutokro. I won't feel free no. Na wafi milk no egum. Ya meshanti ya di nyina begum prekope. Afi yempese ye be overwork flour no. Inti na chese yaka afra. Tina me kai mo se nyame ya aduma. Ye nyina ye pese ye hiem ewo Robinsons ewo Milton Keynes area ho about 7 minutes from Willing Castle and about 10 minutes from Safari Park. Intinie kai mo se opese o join in on the day of the event na yesrawa na wako event bright no abuku for a place sanya be ya nyina ye be hiem games ahoro be wo ho e ma we ye boa ma nyina dodo na wo ho ma bani nyina ye di odo abodom ni celebrate specially opese oko Willing Lake and now so person called Safari or Simon Temaniti near the program na share 12 no now in your family my then namonso makutwa so and sana maba mama ho games ahuro bebre because so To make the clean film, if I want me to hold 30 minutes, I'm gonna rest it fine. That's just yabetwaso. Say I'm a this is my first time, but it looks like Mama measure bibia my. It's been so easy for me to get it right first time. I hope say you also give it a try. I will be back with the rest of the recipe. Stay blessed. Papa B.